Guys, we have 5 exciting updates for different roles, guys. Here you can see. So if you're a Python trained fresher and you're looking for Python job opportunities, this is a very good update from Acuity company. And data analyst or non-voice voice, these are the roles they are looking for. So if you're interested, we also have some of the walk-in updates from these companies. So if you're interested, let's see the more details. So guys, here you can see Acuity Knowledge Partners are looking to hire for data analyst with 1 to 4 years of experience in advanced Excel, SQL and Python experience. So they mentioned if you have knowledge in SQL, advanced Excel, Python, and if you have experience like 1 to 4 years of work experience, you can send your resume to pallav.pushpapraj at the rate of acuitykp.com. So this is one of the very good update from this company, and the locations they mentioned Gurugram, Bangalore, Mumbai. So these are the main details, guys. If you are interested, don't miss it. Ksolves India Private Limited company is looking to hire for Python freshers. So they are hiring for Python. If you are good with Python and SQL, then this is the opportunity for you people, and you not need 3 months of internship experience in the same skill set. And another notice, I need excellent verbal communication. Location they mentioned Indo, Pune, Noida. So interested candidates can fill this form they mentioned here. If you click on this link form, it will be navigated to the official form. Here you have to mention all your details, full name, email, contact number, current location and everything whatever they have mentioned here. You have to provide all the information and submit the application. DE Shaw is hiring for freshers, location Hyderabad, Gurugram. Qualification they mentioned MBA and a profile analyst pricing. So interested candidates can apply through the following link, they mentioned link here. So it will be navigated to the official notification. Here you can see. So this is the notification. It's an online application. You have to provide first name, middle name, last name, preferred first name, email, primary phone, phone type, LinkedIn profile, everything. You have to provide all the information and submit the form, submit the application, so that if you are eligible, you will get a further update. Wipro conducting mega walk-in for freshers on 4th October, that is today, and they mentioned they have 50 vacancies. Location is Hyderabad. You must have key skills, communication, management, leadership, interpersonal skills. So this walk-in drive for non-voice process timings they mentioned 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Required skills, excellent English communication, basic knowledge in Excel and on computer. Specifications, this is only for 21 to 24 batches, and BTech or MCA students are not eligible, and work experience only 1 to 2 years experience with the complete documents. So interview location and everything they mentioned, candidates can walk in directly to Wipro office, and please carry below documents for the interview: resume, government ID proof original, second dose vaccination certificate. So guys, this is the update from Wipro. If you are interested, don't miss it. Genpact looking to hire for freshers. They are conducting walk-in time. Location is Hyderabad. You must have key skills. English, Hindi. Time and venue for walk-in is for 4th October, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. They mention location, and it's a customer service non-voice role. And customer service voice or non-voice. They mention 2 roles, and qualification they are looking for minimum qualifications, graduate any discipline except law. Only freshers are eligible. Candidates should be able to read, speak, or comprehend in Hindi and English. Preferred qualification: effective problem skills and analyzing or understanding skills, analytical skills with customer centric approach. You should be able to work on a flexible schedule, and please bring your below documents while walking for interview: 3 copies of updated resume, 3 passport size photographs, original Aadhaar card, 2 copies of Aadhaar card. So these are the main details, guys. If you are interested, you can know.